Garlic cheesy pizza coming up. Making the garlic. Easy way to get the skins off. You're going to put the crust in the oven for about 5-6 minutes before you put the garlic and the butter and the cheese on. Now we're going to melt about 3/4 of salted butter with about the 7 of the garlic chopped up finely. We're going to get that melted and put it on top of this crust. Now we're going to add a little fresh basil to a part of this for myself. Kids don't like it, but fresh basil is amazing, right? Now we go back in the oven for about another 45 minutes. And voila, here's the finished product. If your kids are like mine, they're picky about pizza sauce. The kids love the butter and the garlic. No pizza sauce with the cheese, Italian seasoning on top. Al dente.